First, you're gonna wash your rice a couple of times, then get rid of that water. Then you're gonna add filtered or spring water and stir well until water becomes cloudy. That's it, you're done. Pour the rice water into an empty bottle to use as a toner, but remember to use them all up within 7 days max and keep them in the refrigerator because it can go bad. Now let's make some sheet masks. They sell this individually packaged compressed sheet mask, so add a couple of them into a container and then pour the rice water. I use these masks when I'm drying my hair. Keep these in the refrigerator too. Now you need an empty container and I bought these sponges. Put these sponges in the container, add rice water, and then you have toner pads. Don't make too many all at once since you have to use them all up in a few days. 머리 말릴 때 좋은 마스크 쓰긴 좀 아깝잖아? 그러니까 이런 거는 머리 말릴 때 딱 쓰기 좋은 것 같아. Remember to keep these in the refrigerator and use them all up within 7 days.